Hope you're staying cool out there because the heat sure is coming around. The heat has been coming all across the United States, but here in Atlanta, we not only have heat, but we have that sun and we get plenty of rain, which equals humidity, which is a great way for our wood to start rotting around our house. Wood rot is one of the biggest things that we work on here at the Trusted Toolbox, and we try to protect your asset by getting ahead of that wood rot. You can see wood rot in places like your door jambs or right around your windows. One of the places we see it mostly is where bushes have leaned over into our house and stay there and keep it continually wet. This is a great example of things that you should do on your house to keep up with your maintenance. If you cut back your landscaping by just a foot and keep those bushes off your house, you'll reduce the opportunity for wood rot to happen. Go out there and take a look and see if you see some soft spots, and we can go out there and get it taken care of for you before it becomes a big problem. So give us a call at the Trusted Toolbox and we will make sure we take care of your wood rot. The other thing that's happening is a lot of people are still continuing to work from home, and it looks like that's going to be a trend that will stay here. At least you'll be going into the office a couple times a week, but you'll probably be working from your house a couple times a week. So let's turn that into a hub of productivity. We can help you and give you some great ideas. And if you take a look at some of the links we have in our newsletter this month, you'll get some ideas on how you can turn your office into that great place for you to enjoy while you're working at home. Lastly, we want to talk about our reviews. We've been very proud of our reviews, and we take a lot of pride in taking care of your house and your number one asset. We continually come in here for training, and we talk about making sure that we can protect your house and leave it in better condition than when we arrive. We are always striving for a number one priority best service that you could possibly have. So give us a call, and we're going to try to exceed your expectations every time we come to your house.